Okay, this is exercise not from the books, but what Miss Elsa created for Jake. Here's a Jake. And what we do, we are learning how to develop new habit, have our elbows in the right position, and have our elbows available to rotate to any side, any angles. So we started with the, let's show just a half, just a couple notes, half rainbow, kind of, not rainbow, it's a more half circle down, left and right, and left and right, yes. So we play like the C major scale, give couple more, Jake, left and right, focusing on the elbow. So elbow, what this makes the moves. We do left hand, right hand, third fingers for now. After that we do hands together, parallel motion, and contrary motion. After that we do rainbow style, elbow, painting for us a rainbow, half circle above the keys, yes, like that, above, yes. So again, right hand, left hand, hands together, parallel motion, contrary motion, great. And after that we reach the third level when we do the full circle, clockwise, right, and counterwise. So we start with clockwise. Good. Okay, now try counterclockwise. Good. So I think we are learning something, and I hope you learn, guys, with us. So hands together, the same thing, parallel motion, contrary motion. So little kind of dance, ballet, circus, you can call it any names, but it's helping for develop right position for elbows. Okay, Rusi, you wanna say hi? You should say hi, yes, because someone's gonna think who's making this noise. Here's Arusia. Hello.